You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, a biblical character. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from the Bible, but beyond, stay tuned. Pronounced in English two different ways, usually pronounced as Theresa, or I think it's the more American pronunciation, Theresa. Now that's in English. Now in different languages there's going to be different pronunciation. Sometimes there's no th, it's just the t. Teresa would be the Spanish pronunciation, Teresa. Also Italian. In English though, it's generally Theresa or Theresa. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.